So friends, let's see today's really interesting and delicious recipe of motichur laddu. So here I've taken 1 cup of chana dal or gram dal, washed it thoroughly under water, and we're going to soak it in 3 cups of water for at least 5 to 6 hours. After that, drain all the water for at least 15 minutes. Then we're going to coarsely grind this in our mixer jar. So I'm going to blitz it. I'll show you how I do it. I just blitz and stop, blitz and stop. We don't want a paste, but we want a very coarse powder like this. So here is all of the 1 cup that I ground. This is the consistency. Now I've heated up some oil for deep frying, and we're going to make these flat kind of balls, and we're going to fry them on a low to medium heat till they are very crispy. That is, both the outside as well as the inside should be properly fried. So fry them for at least 10 to 12 minutes till they are completely fried, both on the inside as well as the outside. Don't fry it on a very high flame, because then only the outside will get fried and the inside will remain kacha or raw. So fry it very nicely. Take your time with it. Don't be in a hurry. Don't keep your flame very high. It should be on low to medium. You can keep turning them in intervals, but see that everything is thoroughly fried. Then the shelf life of these motichur ladus will remain for a long time, and even they will taste perfect. So we can see now that they are really fried. I took a whole 12 to 13 minutes to fry them. And now I'm going to drain the excess oil and keep them to cool for a whole 1 hour or 45 minutes. Don't, try to crush them when they are very hot. So I kept them for a good 1 hour to cool completely, and now I'm just going to break them up into smaller pieces. Also check that it is not kacha or raw on the inside. It should be completely fried. If you feel that any of the pieces are kacha or raw on the inside, just deep fry them again. Now we're going to do the same procedure, that is blitz, stop, till we get this kind of a moti, fine pearls or moti consistency. That is why it is called motichur, because it is like small little, pearls or very tiny bundis. So this is the real shortcut and easy method to make these motichur ladus or laddus. So you can see again, I'm blitzing and stopping, blitzing and stopping. Don't use the mixer mode, use the other side, the left hand side, the blitz mode. And you can see we got this lovely fine powder. Not a complete fine powder, but like small little pearls. Now the second thing you're going to do is you're going to take a vati, that is a small steel vati, and you should get exactly 3 full vatis of this mixture. Now this is also very key to get the perfect motichur laddu or laddu. So you can see I've got exactly 3 full vatis of this mixture. Now we are going to use the same vati to measure the sugar to make the sugar syrup or the pak. So I'm going to take exactly 1 vati and 1/4 vati for the perfect sweetness for this motichur laddus. So I'm taking my sugar in a pot. So I'm taking this 1 full vati, and I'm going to take 1/4 of this vati. Now if you wanted a little less sweeter, you can use just 1 vati. But if you want that perfect motichur laddu taste, then you should use 1/4. Now my flame is off. I've added the sugar. I'm going to use the same vati, and I'm going to use 3/4 of a cup of water. Mix the sugar and the water. Now turn your flame on and give this a thorough mix. Now keep your flame on high till you mix the sugar and the sugar dissolves completely in the water. Then you're going to keep your flame on high and bring this mixture to a complete boil. So don't leave the mixture unattended. Put a flame on high and you will see that it starts to bubble from the outside and slowly come to the inside. And then the entire mixture will start to boil. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder. Give it a thorough mix. The flame is still on high. Now I've lowered to it the flame to the lowest. Now we're going to add a few strands of saffron. Give it a thorough mix. Now the flame is very, very low. You're going to get this frothy kind of mixture. Now because motichur laddu generally has this orangish color, I'm going to use some gel food coloring, a bright orange. You can also make it yellow, a saffron yellow. Mix everything really nice together, and now you're going to put the flame off and you're going to add this mixture that we prepared. Now mix it in thoroughly and let it sit in this mixture for a good 1 hour. Let it soak in all of this beautiful sugar syrup. Don't be in a hurry to form these laddus, because first of all it's piping hot. You will burn the palm of your hands, and secondly it is not yet soaked the sugar syrup. So let it sit for a nice 1 hour till all of that lovely sugar syrup, the cardamom powder, the kesher has gone into the mixture. Now some people do add a little bit of dry fruits, but I think I like to keep it plain. And now it has completely cooled. I'm going to put a few drops of clarified butter or ghee on my hands, and I'm going to form these laddus. Now you can form small laddus, you can form big laddus. I got 30 medium sized laddus from this mixture, which is quite a good deal, right? Because I used only 1 cup of chana dal. Now form them into balls, and I'm just going to put half a cashew nut on the top so it looks nice and pretty. Now I had these beautiful cupcake holders lying in my pantry, so I used those to hold the laddus, as you will see, and that made it look so nice and festive. So friends, if you're a lover of motichur laddu and you want to make it at home, do give this very simple recipe a try. The other recipe, which is a little more tedious, is actually frying small bundis through a jali or a sieve, which is a very tedious process. So this is a real shortcut method. It gets ready also very fast and comes to the perfect motichur consistency. So I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you like see this lovely, how beautiful it looks kept in this little cupcake holders. And trust me friends, they were a melt in the mouth. I don't think they lasted for more than a day, but they're so delicious. You just can't have one. You have to have minimum at least 4. But it's the festive season around the corner. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. See ya. Bye.